remember to make the sound.
Super job.
What word was that? G, g. Okay, remember to say the sounds this time, okay? So we'll watch.
A.
Good. So what sound does that make?
B. B.
Is that a B? Or is it a D? D. Good job. So say it. Damn.
D.
Good job. Good job. Do that again for the rest of them. What letter was that? What? R. So it made a R.
R.
Good. Good. And So that word is rat. Good. Mouse, rat, same thing. Good job. Herd. This one's a longer one. You got it. So when you say like that, say huh, huh. So when you press on the letter, say the sound that it makes. Good? I'll give you a clue, okay? This is the letter, or this is the word horse. So now, sound it out good. What word is it? What word was that?
Horse.
Good job.